everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the red subscribe button below. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you actually like this video. Today I have created this wearing as makeup look. If you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So winter is gone. My oily to the pore infinity face does not need any moisturization right now because I have moisturized long ago. I mean in the morning. So what I'm going to do is prime. I'm using Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer from Sugar, and just mattifying my face a little bit because as always it is oily and oily. After priming, I waited for a couple of minutes and now I am taking up my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation and using my damp beauty blender I am applying it or pressing it into my skin. So I have done this eyes and my brows, and now I am going to replicate this eye to this. First I am going to add, use this sticky tape as a stencil or guide for the sharp edge I am going to create. I am going to take my Tammy X Revolution palette. I am going to take this lighter green shade, tapping up the excess and use it as my transition color. Next, using this less fluffier brush, I am picking up this teal green kind of a shade, using it on my crease and on my lid. This eye look is really gorgeous yet very simple to create. I'm mainly focusing on my outer corner and also adding color on my lid. Next I'm going to take a blue. I could have taken this blue, but you know what, this blue of this palette, this blue is a little bit patchy. So I am taking my Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and taking up this dark blue and this lighter one a little bit, tapping off the excess and placing it on my outer corner and my crease. Next I am taking up this slightly fluffy crease blending brush and picking up some of the black and then picking up some blue and placing it on my crease. Then taking up this lighter green a little bit, tapping off the excess, I am giving this thing a nice blend. Nothing else, just blend it. You don't need a lot of green color, just blend whatever you have already created. Done. Next comes the shimmer part. Okay. I am picking up this green shimmer on my finger and placing it on the inner one-third. Just picking up this blue color just beside that green shimmer, This one is also metallic blue. See the pigmentation, and placing it just after the green, and then give them a nice blend using your finger and some more green shadow, green metallic shimmer. I am just taking off this thing, sellotape, and look at the sharp edge. Don't worry that the foundation has lifted off, because we will go with some concealer here under my eyes, and then we will cover up this spot or area. Now I am going to draw a sharp wing like this on this eye. So I have created the wing liner, and now I am going to conceal my under eye with this Illegal Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Using this fluffy brush, using this concealer brush, I am blending out the concealer under my eyes. Okay, I am powdering my under eye using V-Face Duo powder, and I am picking up this lighter shade. See, it has highlighted my under eye really well. Next, using this very small shredder brush, I am taking up this blue color from this palette, Tammy X Revolution palette. Now smoking it on my lower lash line. Next, I am taking up this small blending brush and picking up this teal green color a little bit, tapping off the excess and smoking this out once again under my lower lash line. Then using the leftover on my angle brush, I'm connecting the black with the blue on my lower lash line. Then using this teal green pencil, I am lining my lower lash line and lower waterline. Next, I am picking up this lime green yellow color with a pencil brush and highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone. Okay, next you can see I have drawn this inner corner, and I'm going to do that on this eye. As this eye look is a little bit intense, you need to highlight your face even if you have used concealer, and then blend it using a damp beauty blender. For contouring my face, I am using Sugar Contour Deforce palette, and I am picking up this contouring shade and placing this under my cheekbone. Okay, now for blush, I am using Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Apricot in the middle. I am placing this from this part from high up to the cheeks. It has a light shimmer, so my skin is glistening right now. Then I am using again my Contour Deforce palette for highlighting my cheekbones, in my nose and my forehead and my chin. Sorry, chin. Next, I'm going to use NYX setting spray to melt all the powders I have applied to mesh into my foundation and my base. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to line my lips using Miss Claire Glamour Sticks for lips in the shade Coffee Brown. For lipstick, I am going to use Madras Kapi from Nykaa Matte to Lust collection. Now I will put on my falsies, my jewelries and my sari, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look, and you know what, I want to give you some advice that okay, so I want to give you guys some advice that please don't be overconfident when your mom is not present, because I did that mistake, and wearing a sari, doing my hair without her is actually a nightmare. This is going to give me a nightmare for a couple of months after this video. So yeah, don't be that much overconfident like me. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because wearing this sari and doing my hair, it took me almost an hour, or more than that, even more than that. Doing makeup is so easy and that comes so naturally to me. And doing my hair is such a task for me. I cannot tell you guys. So yeah, if you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.